Sinking driveway, settling patio, collapsing stoop, uneven pool deck. It's a fact. Concrete problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Wednesday, the 16th of February. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather dry today, but tomorrow the weather becomes very windy with a chance of strong to severe storms by late afternoon. So a lot to talk about today. We'll dive right into it. This is the upper air look. We're watching that big trough in the western states. That trough is progressive, and that will be setting up the chance of strong storms here tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night. Temperatures this morning well above freezing. Birmingham at 52. We're expecting highs around 70 today. Another spring preview. There's the watch warning map today. We have winter storm watches for parts of Kansas, Missouri, Iowa, Illinois, Indiana. With our developing system, they're in the cold air sector. Wind advisories north of the state. We will likely be under a wind advisory tomorrow with a strong gradient setting up. There's a chance of severe storms today west of Alabama, places like Oklahoma City and Dallas-Fort Worth. And then tomorrow, the risk expands eastward, much of the Southeast U.S. with some chance of severe storms. This is the probabilistic outlook for tornadoes. You can see that 5% circle, including parts of West Alabama, generally west of I-65. We have the standard slight risk of severe storms, level 2 out of 5 for areas west of a line from near Weiss Lake down to about Rockford, Prattville, and Grove Hill, areas in yellow. The rest of the state in a level 1 out of 5 marginal risk of severe storms. The higher tornado probabilities are going to be in that yellow area, and we'll talk much more about the threat as we go through modeling. And then on day 3, Friday, maybe some thunder for the Atlantic coast, but severe storms not expected. Numbers are coming up on the QPF here. This is the expected precipitation for the next 7 days. Keep in mind, this, of course, counts the rain we have tomorrow and tomorrow night and the rain we have for the first half of next week. Numbers now exceed 3 inches for parts of North Alabama. In fact, approaching 4 inches up in the Tennessee Valley. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at 3, troughing in the western states, moving our way. But again, one more nice day. Partly sunny, mild, highs around 70 today. Tomorrow, there's our storm system, the GFS depicting the surface low south of Indianapolis. The European, very similar. Both models, of course, showing snow in the cold air sector. Kansas City, St. Louis, up towards Chicago. And down here, we, of course, are in the warm sector. Let's go to high-res modeling. This is the 3-kilometer NAM, valid tomorrow evening at 6 o'clock, and you can see showers and thunderstorms over parts of north and west Alabama at that point. This is the big limiting factor right here, is the instability. There's just not a lot. This is the surface-based Cape at 6 o'clock, and if this verifies, the severe weather threat would not be that high. But understand, models can underestimate the amount of instability we have. If the numbers are higher, the threat will be much more significant, but that's your limiting factor. Shear plenty of that. Very highly sheared environment. This is the STP, 1 to 2 units, mainly over Mississippi at that point. And this might be the story of the day, the gradient wind, not related to storms. And again, this is 10-meter wind gusts. It won't be quite this high at the surface, but we're going to see winds gusting to 30, 40 miles an hour in spots tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. Sustained at 15 to 30 out of the south. So a very windy afternoon and evening. And that might even knock down some trees and power lines in itself. In terms of the timing, we've got the window opening up at 3 o'clock for northwest Alabama and then winding down at 3 a.m. across southeast Alabama. For Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden, the main window for strong to severe storms, 5 to 10 p.m. There could be a few showers before that, but that's your main window for the heavier storms. So kind of a conditional threat based on the degree of instability we see. But just be very weather aware tomorrow, as always, and we know that you will be. Friday, everything is on by. A cooler day, the high close to 50, the sky becoming sunny, a clearing sky during the day. Saturday, a sunny day. We start the day in the upper 20s. The high will be in the mid to upper 50s. And a beautiful day Sunday, sunny with mid-60s, just gorgeous. But Monday, rain comes back. And next week looks pretty wet. Monday will be in the 60s. Tuesday, still a chance of showers. And a week from today, Wednesday the 23rd, upper high that's over the Gulf, troughing over the western states. And again, the chance of showers. It looks like there could be some chance of rain almost every day next week. We'll go out 10 days. This is Friday the 25th, a zonal flow, and evidence we will see some drier air maybe toward Friday of next week, but Monday through Thursday, we'll probably have some rain falling at times. In fact, look at this, rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. The mean is up there about 4 inches between now and the 2nd of March. Temperatures, we cool down for Friday, the high dropping to 50, but we bounce right back. In fact, we could see mid-70s in here by Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. And the latest CPC guidance, this is for the 23rd of February through the 1st of March. Much of the western half of the country below average, but Alabama and the eastern states will likely be above average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors? Call Alabama Professional Services. Standing water or high humidity? Call APS. Nasty odors or dangerous mold? Call APS. Critters, bugs, or other pests? That's right, call APS. It's a fact. Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.